Hi, are you somebody who is venturing out into the supply chain management using data science and AI? What if I help you with 5 job roles that you can target at in the supply chain domain? Well, let's see. Number 1 is the supply chain management officer. Big name, big responsibility. They are among the top leadership roles in supply chain management. They will be overseeing inventory, warehousing, distribution, transportation, and direct all the supply chain policies and initiatives. The skill set that one must possess for this role includes proficiency in supply chain management, practices and procedures, and leadership experience. Number 2. Vice President Supply Chain Management. Now this person will be managing the key aspects of supply chain processes. They will be developing strategies for inventory control, demand planning, interact with the suppliers and vendors. So the skill set includes strategic planning, problem solving, and compliance management. The third one, purchasing manager. The purchasing manager will be overseeing the purchasing operations. They'll be managing vendor relationships, negotiate contracts, and evaluate purchasing trends. The skill set includes strategic purchasing, negotiation obviously, and cost analysis as well. At number 4, we have got the logistics manager, the person who will be planning and overseeing the logistic policies and initiatives. They will be developing logistic procedures, manage material movement, and also ensure timely product delivery. So the skill set includes logistic management, cost reduction, and staff supervision. And at number 5, we have got the supply chain manager, who will be overseeing the overall supply chain and logistic operations. He or she will be responsible for planning and executing the supply chain strategy, manage vendor performances, etc. The skill set includes supply chain operation management and vendor management. Let me remind you that all of these roles are very closely integrated with data science and AI. So if you are somebody who is planning to venture out into the supply chain management domain using data science and AI, well, these 5 is something that you can think about. Until then, all the best.